Hi, everybody. Welcome to an episode of Learn by Doing, where you learn a quick concept, a tips, tricks that you can try right away into your business. Today, I got an email from, I think Descript is an AI video editing tool, and it's showing me that it now can integrate with ChatGPT to take an idea, turn it into script, and then create the initial video in the script. So let me share my screen. All right. So this is the email that I got. You can toss out an idea and let AI do the rest, get an instant script, get some screen visuals, and refine it in the script. Let's try AI Video Maker. It lets me to ChatGPT, and it said basically simply describe the video you want to make, and our AI will generate the script and tailor to your needs in minutes. No editing experience required. So I'm gonna just say I have an idea demo showing how to create an AI agent using uh, Anthropic AI. I hope ChatGPT doesn't get mad at me. Okay, let's see what it does. So the first thing that ChatGPT does, and it typically does this, is to give an outline of what is this going to do. It will write the script, select the visual style, generate a preview, and then build the video, full video on the script. Let's start with any extra detail that I want to highlight. So I would like to leave some space for myself to give a quick demo of Anthropic. So it's not only a generic video, but it's of me actually giving the demo. I'm going to give that feedback and ChatGPT come back with an actual script. This is actually pretty simple and maybe a little bit too simple. And I'm going to say tailor the script to my audience, which are designers, small business owners, and entrepreneur. I will also say the video should be less than 15 minutes with concepts that my audience can use right away to apply to their business. Let's see if this script that I got here, which is very generic and kind of salesy, let's see if it will be tailored to the audience that I've just specified. So right here, ChatGPT is saying automating customer service, assisting with design tasks, improving workflow. Okay. And so this is kind of the wraparound of the intro and the outro of this idea. And ChatGPT is giving a blank space here around insert demo of the Anthropic AI for creating an AI agent and then showing real world example relevant to the audience. I really don't want to do the work myself. I like to get a first draft outline from ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, write out the script for the demo as well. Let's see what happens. This is nice. So ChatGPT is saying, let's create a new AI agent and call it a design assistant. So again, talking to the designer and entrepreneurs of the world, and then going through the steps for refining the tasks, pre-built prompts, templates, and test the agent. Okay, so I'm going to say combine and show me the full script. So now we have a script which has both the intro to the topic, a little demo in the middle, and a little outro right then and there. I am now curious about the visual style that it recommend. So I'm going to say, what do you recommend for visual styles? Now, most often, if you have a brand, if you have a startup, if you have a design style that you're already attracted to, you don't need to do this. You can be a lot more specific. But for this, I like to see what are the options here. Lustin. Okay, we have watercolor and ink, whiteboard doodles, low polygon 3D, and plasticins. Plasticins. Don't even know how to say that word. I think maybe a low polygon 3D would be nice. I'm just going to say low polygon 3D. And so what ChatGPT should do now is that it has a script and it's now going to try to show me that visual based on the topic, based on the script that I've just shared. Yeah, and it's typically going into this very generic, robotic looking style that I actually don't like that much. So I'm going to say, how about try practices? I'm curious to know what this even is. It's kind of cute. I like this. I like this. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to say generate the video in the script. This is the moment of truth, isn't it? So ChatGPT is starting the action, is saying, hey, can I talk to the script? Yes, yes, you can. And since I already have a Descript account, I can just say, open your video project in Descript. So I can do a deeper dive into Descript and what it does in another video, but essentially it is a AI-powered video editing tool, whereas all of your assets put in one place, and like editing a slide deck or a Word doc, you can edit the text and the tool will edit the video for you. Right? And at the same time here, it seems like ChatGPT has shared some of the images that it has generated as well into the script. So the entire process of creating this mini video takes 2 to 3 minutes for a 1.5 minute video. I want to see what it sounds like. So bear with me here.
Creating an AI agent can give your business a competitive edge. With Anthropic AI, you don't need to be a coding expert to get started.
Okay, so it's using a generic male voice to talk about the topic. Well, that can be cool. You know, Cedric. This is the name of the AI voice. I am curious to see if it can generate in my voice. I have done a few video on this platform and I've saved my voice. I've gone through a very silly voice exercise, essentially reading a paragraph with a lot of up and downs in order to generate this AI pseudo speaker. And I'm curious to see if I can select my name and the script will start generating the AI speech to create a synthetic voice that mimic my voice. So if you can remember this voice that you're hearing right now, let's see what it will come out to be through this process. I'm actually excited to find out. All right, so here is a virtual synthetic me to the AI going through the script. Let's listen. Creating an AI agent can give your business a competitive edge. With Anthropic AI, You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. First, think about how the AI can support your business, like automating customer service, assisting with design tasks, or improving workflows. To be honest, that is pretty close. It's not there yet because I think my voice is a lot more tonal, a lot of pauses, a lot of you know. It's my flaw, but it's also my unique sauce. And this voice is very monotonic. Is that a word? Yeah. It's very rhythm marching, very generic in a way. It has some taste of my voice in there, which I'm impressed with. But as a whole, while the script and the visual can be helpful, I don't think I can use it right away because it would be like a robotic me talking without a lot of engagement, right? It also doesn't have my face on it. And I would need to do a bit more video editing and recording just to get in there. So, as a whole, I think this is a good workflow for if you want to have a script and a visual style. The power is on the ChatGPT side. I don't think the script is totally there yet with the artificial voice. I think it will take a lot more work to make it a lot more real and engaging. So that's a little bit of a demo of this workflow between ChatGPT and Descript. The space is evolving really rapidly, and I can't wait to see what comes out of it. Maybe one day I can click a button and then the me is talking like I'm talking to you now. Right now, it's not there yet, but it's getting me prepared to do the live demo and get my skills worth out there. If you like this video and you want to keep tab with the latest AI developments and how it will affect our creative process and our entrepreneur um, process, please subscribe and tell me in the chat how you are using AI, how you find different usage for it, and how are you not using AI and keeping the human element in the loop. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.